that's right. He's watching his CP like a TV.
TGIF.
Man with the base in Brooklyn, New York. I'm in the house.
BD, Sean, Sheriff in New York. Blah, blah, blah. Hey, show you right, big brother.
Hello out there on the West Coast reading the mail. Little hillbilly in the Magnolia State. Waving, break off, break off.
I'm ready, you on time down. Hey, good morning, little hillbilly. Sean, Sheriff in New York. Break it, break it.
Sean Sheriff. Welcome to the weekend, brother. Banks, no doubt about it. Hey, John Sheriff, you doing your thing around the muddy banks. Super fine day, man. I gotta get out here and do some work. I gotta get off this base and go get in this airplane, see if I can do some work. I gotta go load this airplane up, see if I can't get to work. Y'all have a super good day.
You're a little too crowded for me. Get out of the way. This thing almost sound like the Super Bowl, man. You're a little too crowded for me. I can't pull nothing out. Let me get out of the way. John Sheriff in the mobile studio. Bye, bye, bye.
I got the video game rolling. But the man with the bass, man, he came to reality. He stopped trying to step on you.
Hey, 127.
At least he was trying. I gotta give him credit. At least he was trying. He didn't stand by. At least he was trying. He didn't stand by. John Sheriff. Blah, blah, blah.
Thank you. Hey, John Sheriff. Hey, you gotta have some type of cover.
I heard you calling 127, but I got John Shaft and the man with the bass in my ear.
Now you know. I'ma slide to the side. I know when to fall, when to go. John Sheriff, the bass is yours.
You watch that man with the bass. I know what you mean, but look at it. Some more, not all the time I have condition, though, brother. I know when to fall and know when to hold, too. I'm a very good poker player. Just later on, man, you stay speaking wave. I'm getting out the way. I'm going back down to the tracks, and then John is gone.
Bye. Get on out of there.
Better remember, bass man, John Shaft on a Diamond Cut and Sound King special. You better remember, John Shaft on a Diamond Cut and Sound King special.
It's always take two. It's not what's on the tower. It's not what's on the house. It's not what's on the tower. That's what gets you out. Not the radio. Audio. The man with the golden touch in New York. We go.
Sheriff in the big old. Hey, money, ain't nobody but Richard Roundtree himself, Mr. John Sheriff. Hello, money. John Sheriff in New York. Ray Ray.
Oh, damn, man. You got my way. See you, bye.
Just walking and talking downtown beautiful Brooklyn, New York. Them two watches walking and they talking. John Chevy walking like you talking.
Bye.
Hey, John Chevy, 441 in the bayou. Good morning, John Chevy in the big trees, 441. Break. Yeah, 441 right back here, big up. Hey, 441, John Chevy, I'm gonna wave my hand right back and get out the middle of the road. Hello, 441. I appreciate the key up and the key down, and I wave the weekend wave at you. 441, baby. Right on, cotton picker. You're doing it in fine style, too, cotton picker. Yeah, you didn't making all that noise downtown by your country, and I wanted to bump it down and say good morning to you. Oh, what you want, $1 million weekend. Hey, John, you doing copy 441, trying to get it back right.
Power supply, just like goofy guys, man.
All right, let me get out. Catch y'all later. Hey, Richie, you send me that gate. Let me hear what I sound like. Richie, I'm going.
The video gate is rolling. I'm in the 5-minute zone. I'm in the 5-minute zone of this TGIF video gate. 127 New York City back on the map.
That old stuff been played out back in 1967, goddamn. What is going on in the boogaloo, Captain? While you doing a boogaloo, I'm gonna be on the other side of the room doing a hucklebuck. While you doing a boogaloo, I'm gonna go to the other side of the room and I'm gonna do the hucklebuck. You know, share a hucklebuck and blah, blah, blah. I'm up here doing boogaloo. That's what I'm talking about. Get my Ron song on. I was just gonna get my Ron song on. Hey, 395. Hey, 395, I'm gonna take a pause from this boogaloo and say hello, howdy to you, man. Appreciate the high five. Yeah. Ron Jones, goddamn. Right. I was just gonna go ahead and get my Ron John on. Ron John. Hey, what you talking about, Freddie Boom Boom like that, motherfucker? Hey, what you talking about on Freddie Boom Boom? Hey, what you heard about Freddie Boom Boom? Freddie Boom Boom, Washington. Oh, Freddie Boom Boom, ease on up in your receive. And I'm going back in the bush. Hey, Freddie Boom Boom, JIGG-A-BOO Jones. Hey, Freddie Boom Boom, JIGG-A-BOO Jones in the waiting room breaker. Hey, JIGG-A-BOO Jones. Hey, JIGG-A-BOO Jones. Now you a bad man like that, he's on up on the scene. Hey, JIGG-A-BOO Jones, you know who said it? The man with the plan, the master blaster, the master of disaster, the host with the most. Got my knees in the breeze, my chin in the wind, and my cotton picking, duck plucking foot in the soot. Hey, JIGG-A-BOO Jones, Freddie Boom Boom, Washington, ease it all up and you receive. Freddie Boom Boom, hey Boom Boom, we out here doing the boogaloo. Hey Freddie Boom Boom, we out here doing the boogaloo. That old shit been played out back since 1967, goddamn. Hey, JIGG-A-BOO Jones. Hey, if I knew it was gonna be that kind of party, I would've stuffed my dick in the mashed potatoes. Hey, JIGG-A-BOO Jones, if you can do the boogaloo, you better pass me my ripple, cocksucker. Oh, Freddie Boom Boom, Freddie Boom Boom, Washington. Hey, Freddie, I'm gonna take a sip.
Hey, Freddie, you keep talking like that, you're going to wake up my New York City girls, Freddie. You keep talking like that, you're going to bring the girls out here.
Ease up in the frequency. I'm going to do the boogaloo. I'm going to do the mashed potato. I'm going to do the huckabuck. On that ripple. Hey, Freddie Boom Boom, goddamn. Yeah. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, Duck Pucker. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, JIGG-A-BOO Jones. Hey, JIGG-A-BOO Jones. You the mashed potato? And the boogaloo? You're a duck pucker. Ain't no doubt about that. I'm gonna get my shot and take it out. Oh, tree-top tall. Freddie Boom Boom. Oh, Freddie Boom Boom, Washington. And I'm gonna skin this turkey. Hey, Freddie, look at that Yakimo go.
Oh, Freddie Boom Boom wreaking havoc in my New York video gate. Freddie Boom Boom is wreaking havoc in my Brooklyn, New York City video gate. Yo, 127 New York video gate rolling.
Ease on back and do your flip. Hey, Freddie Boom Boom, ease on back and do your flip, goddamn.
Hey, 25. Hey, 25, I got a whole bunch of shit in my radio, 25. 25, I got Freddie Boom Boom, I got JIGG-A-BOO Jones, I got a wild jungle New York City video game rolling.
2-5,
2-5, I shit you not, you're gonna see it in the video game. 2-5, I shit you not, it's a mess. 2-5, it's running in the jungle. 2-5, TGIF, I'm gone.
Hey, 127, well, if it's a mess, you gonna straighten the mess out. Hey, 127, 25 say if it's a mess, you gonna straighten it out. 127, 25, this is good now.
Hey, 2-5, I'm in the 10-minute zone. 2-5, I'm looking at the clock. I got 10 minutes on the clock. I'm in the 10-minute zone of this Brooklyn, New York City show and tell.
All right, right on, 127. Have yourself a blessed weekend. 127, your friend. 25, Jackson, Mississippi, back quiet.
And a good day and a good weekend to you, 2-5. A pistol just went bang.
And that'd be 25, Mississippi. Hey, 2-1, Ryan, Virginia, that'd be 2-1, 2-1, 2-5, Mississippi's getting down. Hey, 2-1, 2-5, it's 2-5. Hey, 2-1, 2-5, getting yo, 2-1, 2-5, Mississippi's getting down. Back in there that time, all this man, they're walking all over you, but 713 Virginia, I'm waving a hand.
Compliment to you there, Shaggy, 575, Brooklyn, New York, waving.
575 Buffalo, 647 Everglades for that morning.
Waving it right back there, 647. We appreciate the comeback. Sounding good. Keep up the good work. 575 Brooklyn, New York. Bring up, bring up.
Hey, 575 Brooklyn, we got you South Texas 361 waving. Real good down here in the Sandpile. Old 647 with that Friday. Welcome to the Weekend Drive.
Hey, 647, got a little rough out there for us. What'd you say, a Sandpile there, Breaker? Lost him. Conditions. Get out.
Welcome to the Weekend as you're traveling up and down.
I heard Heartbreaker. I heard Heartbreaker in the Mobile. That's what I heard. I heard Heartbreaker in the Mobile. 127 New York video game roller.
Can we do it again? Old 647. I step it up here. That's your personal friend. We can't leave. Let's go.
Don't put no contact on 127. I'm tipping the 14-minute zone of this New York City show and tell. Don't put no contact on me. I'm tipping the 14-minute zone of this New York video game. Come on. Listen, man, you start sending me a Mardi Gras wave, you gotta send me some Mardi Gras titties. If you're gonna send me a Mardi Gras wave, you got to send me some Mardi Gras titties. I don't know. I don't know, man. I have no idea.
Damn it, boy.
I don't hear none of the crybabies at the moment. I don't hear none of them drunks and crackheads at the moment. They're not awake yet.
Roger on that. I heard him in a little bit last night when Skip was rolling down here in Dallas. All right, 127, old Big John, back
And a TGIF and a good day to you there, Big John. 127, the old video game roller.
Hey, 127, can slow motion see? 127, slow motion to Magnolia.
Well, slow motion, man. I try never to move in slow motion. Hey, slow motion. I try never to move in slow motion. Slow motion, 127, go ahead.
Right, bro, 127. Welcome to the weekend to you and fine family. 127. On slow motion to Magnolia, I'm reading the mail.
But it is kind of funny when I try. It is kind of funny when I try. 127 got that.
Sullivan singing here, slow motion, 575 over here, Brooklyn, New York, the Round Apple waving. 575. Hey, 575. I'm over the down, let you know I got it all. Oh, 575. Slow motion with the weekend wave, and I'm back out. Right here, right back, my friend. We appreciate that. Let me know this little mud duck station's working over here around the Rotten Apple, 575. We're back out. Right back. Right back, back. It's talking. It's definitely talking. Slow motion to Magnolia, I'm back out. New York. Top Vinci, slow motion in the mag, bang, bang. Hey, Pistol Grip, I just sent some over to you. Let me know if you need one.
Alright. You know what I found, right? I found the Anytone 5555. The Anytone Quad 5. The one that looks identical to the Superstar 6900.
10-4, yep, those were hard to come by for a little while, yeah. That's a little gem, that radio. That's definitely a nice radio, good talkers.
Yeah, my distributor still got them. They got them for $189, so I'm scooping one up next week. I'll have one by next weekend.
10-4. Also look up the Retivus HS1 and look at the price on that. You're going to be amazed. It looks exactly like the Quad 5. It's like $169.
Really? Really? Well, that's good to know, man, because that radio, no matter what name it's under, it is a prize.
Oh, hell yeah. Retivus HS1. You know what the Retivus is, like the two-way radios. Check it out whenever you get a chance. Yeah, but look at what I sent you over. Let me know if you need me to make one.
Let me see what you sent over. Hold on, let me grab the phone.
It's a nice little thing, bro. I made it yesterday. Took about a half hour. I heard somebody from West Virginia trying to get back to me. Young fella. Oh, audio video, breaker. One in time, TGIF to the family. 10-4 right there, right back, bro.
That's a radio mount, a hump mount, huh?
No, it's the desk.
Yeah, but you built it so it could work as a hump mount, too.
Yeah, you can if you want, yeah. I built it for the desk, just like I had it sitting on a little cardboard box, and it started getting on my nerves, so I pulled up some measurements on Etsy. I found measurements for one, so I 3D printed it up yesterday.
That's cute, but I don't need one. Thank you much.
10-4, all right.
Guys in the mobile be looking for that for sure.
Yeah, it works great for the desk too, though. Puts the radio on a perfect angle, so that way you don't got to, nice easy work the knobs, very nice, which you don't really touch much anyway, but still it works good. I'll take a picture of it the way I got it set up. So you don't have a
desk. He don't have a desk. He got a milk crate.
I got the messy miracle bench, AB. AB, I got the messy miracle bench.
You know, milk crate makes the perfect coffee table, you know.
Well, you get it right when you know you're right, there,
Oh, no doubt, break, especially, you know, in those hipster neighborhoods, they love picking out garbage, those guys, and milk crates, that's a gem right there.
Bed framing, desk, table, come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah, bed frames, you get a couple of them, you put a bed frame, platform bed, storage container, yeah, man. The milk crate is it's a diamond in the rough.
Yeah, I did a milk crate platform bed for many years. Now there ain't a dang milk crate in this damn house. They all out in the backyard.
Yeah, man. I mean, back in the day, we used to use them as coolers, too. You put a garbage bag in there, fill that shit up with ice and beer, and go to the beach.
Yeah, I heard you in there, Chili Willy.
Big L. Hey, 606 in Maine, Sandbagger, Missouri, 606. Down right there. Snow business like snow business. I can't big old radios. Nice hearing you down here, Lake of the Ozarks, home of the Kansas City Chiefs.